shoes, real sensitive lady. A native Oregonian, she was born in Corvallis and raised in Sheridan.
Hey, I'd like to be a fly on her wall. She, of course, is married to State Senator Frank Roberts. Probably lots of good political heat going on in that house.
Yes.
Always. Here, I think we have got the Centennial High School, Gresham High School marching band.
The Awesome Eagles. Band director Darrell Dyer, 210 members in all. It's a big band. He tells the Eagles how to march, and they've won every major marching band competition in the state at least once, and that is quite a record.
All the musicians we've heard today are really good. Aren't they great?